You can start.
We'll wait 1 more minute. It's not 35 yet. Okay, it's 35. So before starting this class, we'll have a quick recap, and the recap will be done by Pranava. Pranava,
Yeah.
you can open your PPT and show your assignment, or you can just give a quick recap.
I'm attending phone so that can I just tell them?
Sure, sure.
So in the last class, we saw a bad presentation. So then Leo teaches us how to make a good presentation. He taught about morph transition and even 3D shapes in which we can even use morph transitions.
Okay, so what are the uses of morph?
Morph, we can actually make a transition look good, like moving.
Okay, so can you specify? Okay, who is? Never mind, I'll close the whiteboard. You guys need to be more disciplined. Okay, for now I can continue. I think
Yeah.
I told you about 5 steps, or 5 features of morph.
I
Okay,
don't
yeah.
remember.
So, well, your explanation was quite good. Yeah, even I won't remember, even I don't remember exactly what I said. So, we have 5 things which we learned about morph. It was increasing the size of an object and changing the location of the object, then rotating the object, and quite a lot more. So I'll share my screen. So is my screen visible?
Dash visible.
Okay, so we'll quickly do whatever we did in the last class, and we'll only use the shape this time. Okay, we'll do this. So, okay, shape. Where is shapes? Okay, here shapes. Um, um, Random person. Tejas, which shape? Tell the random shape.
Circle.
Okay, Tejas said circle, so we'll go with circle. So circle, and in the next slide, we will move the position of the circle. The third slide, we will increase the size of the circle. Then, is there any use of flipping the circle horizontally? Can anyone answer? Anyone? Okay, I'll ask specifically. Hmm, Jasmine, is there any use of flipping the circle horizontally or vertically?
Can you repeat?
Is there any use of flipping the circle horizontally or vertically?
No, no, yes.
Yeah, we'll get the answer pretty soon. And what was the last one? So we changed the circle, location. We increase the size. Okay, we decrease it too. Then anything else did we live? Okay, for now we'll just go with this and do apply to all. And slideshow from beginning. So a circle comes to right side, the center, it increases size. Okay, so Jashwin, we were wrong. So if you flip horizontally, it does flip horizontally. Well, tell okay at least, I guess. Okay, never mind. Jashwin is not responding. Okay, so 5 things. So today's class, I will start off by showing a okay. Am I audible? By the way,
Yes, brother.
okay. Am I clear too?
Yeah, yes, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now we'll make a title slide, and then I'll show you how I did the WeJump PPT, which was shown in the workshop. So I'll just teach you a bit about it. So for now, I'll just teach about a title slide, and this can actually improve your PPT skills by a lot. And this also I've taught this same thing even in the Christ Public School PPT classes. So I'll just share my knowledge with you. So I'll go to insert and click on 3D models. This device, stock, not this device. We'll go with stock 3D models. Okay, random person. Okay, by the way, guys, please try to on your videos when I'm calling out your names. Yeah, so Jasmine had some network issue, so he couldn't answer. I'll ask Nitya. Nitya, which is your favorite planet? Not planet. Do you like Earth or the Sun more?
Earth.
Okay, fine. We'll search the 3D model of Earth. Okay, I think this one is fine. I'll ask Nitish. Nitish, which block do you want? The third one, the sixth one, or this one? Nitish, is there a guy
Hello.
called Nitish? Yeah. Which one should I choose?
Yeah.
Which of the Earths?
Seventh one.
Okay, this one. Fine. I will take the seventh one as said by Nitish. Yeah, you can off your video if network issues are there, no problem. So we'll insert it. So I'll be asking questions a lot, and I'll also be asking you to reply a lot, even though the questions will be not like uh, something intellectually related, but you guys can wrong answers in this class. Okay, so we have a Earth. So I think many of you have saw this title slide, which I'm already going to show, but I'll just show you how to do it quickly. Am I audible? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're audible.
Am I clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine. I thought my network had gone. So now I'll insert text. I will insert a text named the Earth. Then I'll press Control A and increase the size. And let's go with Algerian for today. We'll have an Algerian text font, and we'll duplicate this 3 times. Okay, so we made the Earth. We took a text of the Earth and copied it 3 times and pasted it. So now what I'm going to do is a bit weird, I guess. So I'll go to format shape. You can see the format shape here. Likit, can you see it? The format shape.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, so I'll click on format shape, and then I'll go to text options. Then text fill, I'll give no fill. Okay, it disappeared. Then text outline, I'll give solid line. So you see this. Mm, Maria, do you see this?
Yes.
Yeah. So what did I do here? Why is it like this? Maria, yeah.
Like you removed the color and just added the outline.
Yeah. So I removed the color and just added the outline. So I guess there are people paying attention. So we'll do the same thing, or we can do the same thing, or we can just delete this one and just copy paste it. I think copy pasting it is much more faster. So till here, did everyone get it? I
Yeah.
expect an answer. Yeah. Nitish, thank you. At least one person is listening. So I'll duplicate the slide. Then what I'm going to do here, wait, let me increase the spacing a bit. Okay, then I'm going to duplicate it here. Now what I'm going to do is a bit interesting. So I'll select this and press shift and select all the three. So if you want to select multiple objects, you can click on shift. While clicking on shift, you have to select the objects. So Ashit, how to select objects? Multiple objects.
Just click control and then click on each of those objects.
Yeah, control or shift. Okay, so that was a nice answer. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the three text and align it together. So I'll do align in the middle. So you can see this, the earth becomes, there are three of them. You see this? There are three overlapping each other. Now what I'm going to do is going to transitions and apply morph to it. So it looks more cooler. And I'll also increase the size a bit. And I'll rotate it. Yeah. Now I will play it from the beginning. Any network problems are there? Please let me know. Okay, 1 second. One second, I will stop sharing my screen. There's a problem. Okay. So do you guys see the slide? Answer with a yes or a no.
Brother. Yeah, we can see.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'll click on the next slide. Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
So what we did is very simple, but it makes your PPT look much more cooler and much more professional. So now you can also make the earth go to the middle if you want. And you can also overlap the earth text. I'll just wait 1 second. Just select the earth. Then I'll send it. I'll send to back. So no, okay, no, add up. Okay. So I did this. You know what? I'll just take the earth this side. And I will delete both of these. Okay, 1 second, I messed up a bit. I deleted this, I changed the slide. So I'll do the same thing. Align to middle. Okay, now let's go to slideshow and see what we have done. So the earth becomes a bit big, goes. Okay. And then rotate it. Okay. Yes, third time is the charm. There's a saying. So first slide to the second slide. And the second slide, okay. It looks okay, it can be improved a lot, like keeping the earth here, and you can add your titles over here. So you guys understood how to make a cool title slide for your projects?
Yeah.
And yeah,
Yeah, we understood.
so this is almost entirely created by Morph, and there is nothing much to do to in this. So this is also an inspiration which I took from a YouTube video. I think the channel name was PPT by Lucia, something like that. So I give credits to the YouTube channel, and we'll go to the part where we are going to make a new one. I'm not going to teach exactly how I did the PPT, since the PPT which I made for WeJump, since it'll take a lot of time, but I'll just show you where that option is. So I'll not take a new blank document. I'll take geometric color block. Okay, you see this, right? I took a entire template. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, whenever I have network issue, I request someone to take over and say that I have network issue, or message me in WhatsApp. Either way is fine. Now I'll show you where the option is to make a slide zoom. So the option I did for my PPT, which I created for WeJump workshop, is called slide zoom. So if you go to insert right here, then you go to zoom, and zoom, go to slide zoom, and okay, love it. Tell some random numbers between 1 to 13.
12.
And
Um, 10.
okay,
ಇಲ್ಲ
we'll just go with two of them for now, 12 and 10.
ನೀನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Oh, I'm not there here. Nilla hilli, something like that. My Kannada is very bad, so I tried to copy what Abhishek said. Neen illa hilli, something like that. Am I audible?
Your our school member on. Yeah, you're audible. It's my mistake that from our school he got one doubt that he mistakenly left the meeting, so he called me. Sorry for the interruption.
No, it's fine. I just wanted to make a joke out of it. Okay, so now I took Zoom and clicked on slide zoom, and I selected two of them. That is, okay, I already selected two of them. This is slide number 10 and slide number 11. Slide number 10 and slide number 12. So I will just go to slideshow and see what it is. So which should I click first? Nakul, left or right? Which one do you want? I assume he said the right one. Okay, right. So we'll click on the right one, and do you guys see that? I clicked on the right, and it zooms in. So that part of it just zooms in, and I'll click on the left too. So you see this. This is what I basically did, but with, of course, with modifications. So do you guys understand this part? That is slide zoom.
Can you do that 1 second?
Okay. So I'll delete both of them. And then I'll go to insert. Remember, it's in insert, and then click on zoom. Then we'll go with slide zoom, and we'll click on random numbers. We'll take 3, 5, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So we have them. I'll put one at each corner. Okay, so we have 4 of them. I don't know if you can see it. We have 4 of the slide, PPTs and PPT slides. Do you see these 4 of them? Tanishka, do you
Yes.
see them? Okay. I think Ashit answered.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. And we'll press from the beginning. And I'll take the third one, the power of communication at the start. Do you understand this now at least? It basically zooms in. Love it? Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Thanks.
Okay. So we'll look more into this slide zoom. So as you can see, there are 3 of them. So I'll click on each of them and explain it to you. I'll take slide number 10. No, we'll take 9 since it has some information too. And we'll insert it. So summary section. 1 second. Yeah. Wait. I never use a summary section because of me not needing it a lot, but also I'll show you what it is. Okay. Even I am new to this. So we'll just go to slideshow and we'll do from current slide. Okay. So what this thing is actually the same, but here it is basically like an index. You guys know what an index is? It's like in your textbook, in your science textbook, there will be chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. Chapter 1 to chapter 10 will be there. So basically similar to that, we have slides here. So summary slide is basically nothing but an index. So if you click on a single one, it just goes to that slide. So it's basically the same. And we have one more option. For this, we need to create a section. So do you know what a section is? I'll ask this question to Kenneth. Kenneth, what's a section?
I don't know. Maybe this is the first time I'm hearing it.
Okay, say it in general terms, section.
It might be like grouping the slides with the.
Is this network slow or is it mine?
No, Kenneth's voice is actually breaking.
Was that good?
Can you repeat? There is no need of saying what the PPT section is. We can just say sections in your school example.
So like dividing into different groups.
Yeah. So in PPT we have the same. Kenneth, you can off your video since you have network issues, I guess. So we are doing the same. We are dividing a class. You can say the entire all of the slides together is a class, and we are making the class into groups. That is section. We have, for example, 10th A, 10th B, 10th C. So we'll do the same, but here it's PPT A, PPT B, PPT C. So I'll create a new section, right click and add section. So I'll make it PPT A. And then I will put it here. So I'll drag a few of them. I selected all 3 of them by clicking on shift. Okay, never mind, I didn't get it properly. Okay, finally. Yeah. Did anyone have a question?
Question.
Can you repeat?
Like no question.
Okay, so no question. Fine, fine. So we made,
I had a
ah,
question.
yeah, fine.
Like in the PPT which you have created,
Hmm.
you added the slides, right? Like for
Yeah.
the Zoom slide option, but
Ah.
it's just the logos are visible, right?
Okay, so I will open my PPT. Let me explain this section part, then I will show you. Remind me, I'll show you what I did there. Okay. Um, so we made a section here, PPTA. So now I'll show you how I did mine in a quick second. Go to Zoom and section Zoom. Then I'll click on them. I'll okay. We'll take one section, right? So we'll take section 2 PPTA and then I'll insert it. I'll delete all the other. I don't need it for now. Okay, now we'll go to slideshow and see what it is. So I'll click on it. Then I'll try to move to the next slide. I'll put next button. So you see this. The entire section is inside the Zoom. When I click on it, the entire section, first, the second, and the third, all three are inside the slide Zoom. So basically, in this slide Zoom, all three slides inside the section are linked into this single Zoom, and I don't know what to call it exactly. I guess we'll call it Zoom slide. So in this Zoom slide, every single slide inside the section is visible. So is it clear? I know my teaching is a bit bad. I'm not a great teacher. I'm a student yet. I mean, still. So did you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. So we learned about Zoom and the three features of Zoom. So I'll close this. We don't need this anymore. And we have this. Okay, we'll leave that too. Okay. Give me a minute. I will open my same PPT which I made for the WeJump workshop. And for your information, there is an awesome channel, a YouTube channel where you can learn slide zoom as an expert. Well, I did the slide zoom, which I did for the first 7, 8 slides, I think. So that is heavily based on that YouTube channel. You can say I almost copied it, but I tried to add some of my own, what do you say, features into the PPT. I didn't want to copy it entirely. I just wanted to learn from it. Even I think 2, 3 images are the same because I think he put a link to the images. So I thought the images look cool. So even the images I think are the same. Okay. So I will share my screen. It's called, I think, wait, let me check. It's called One Skill PowerPoint YouTube channel. It's an amazing YouTube channel. You guys can check it out.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So I'll play this. Okay, this is the one I did for, I guess, WeJump. Okay, there are some issues. I don't know how it came. Maybe because I deleted some files. Okay, so what I did here, I'll explain to you as clearly as possible. So I made 4 of them. You see these 4 circles. So this actually is an entire slide. So you see this vision and here vision. So what I did, I took 4 of the I made a slide only dedicated to this circle. You can see that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I made an entire thing only dedicated to that. And then what I did is quite simple. I put a transition. I'll show you. Wait, 1 second. Okay. So first it goes to that slide, then it becomes big. So it basically, when I click on vision, it goes to vision, and then there's a transition which makes the circle big. See, do you guys see the circle?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I took this circle and I expanded it. I expanded it till it came here. Then what I did was I took the same PNG and the text. Then I just moved it here. Then of course I took this from Google, and this is animation which you can easily do. I don't think I have enough time to explain it, but I'll show you a quick glance of which animation I'm using. I'm using multiple. Even this is, I think even this I refer to one skill PPT, one skill presentation YouTube channel. So even this is, you can say it's almost copied because I think I heavily was inspired by this. Okay. Then what I did here was do a multiple. Okay. For now, I'll just tell you how to do it quickly. So you guys know what a line is, motion path line.
Yes.
Okay. So I guess Ashit knows. What about others?
Yeah.
Okay. So some people don't know about it. So I'll just explain it. So what? Wait, let me duplicate the slide once. Okay, wrong slide. I'll take this and I'll give a motion path. That is, I will tell it where to go. I want it to go here. Wait, 1 second.
Yeah.
Wait, was it motion path itself? It's multiple, I guess. Yeah, it is multiple. Never mind. I'll teach that at the ending since I have to teach you about how I did it. I guess I forgot about it. Okay, so I'll be honest about entire PPT I made. So this video at the start is a video I took from the WeJump. I think it was there in the YouTube channel. Okay, Ashit.
The one with the line animations, I mean motion paths. I guess you're supposed to drag the arrows itself.
Yeah, okay.
I think so because that's what I remember when I haven't used it in a while.
Yeah, well, it's been outdated because we have morph.
And that's also true.
Yeah. So I'll teach over the animations later. I'll just quickly tell you how I did the entire PPT. So the video I took from the YouTube channel, I copied the link. I recorded the video and I put the entire video and made it cover the entire slide. You can see this, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
we
Answer with a
can.
yes or no. Yeah. So then, as I told you already before, this is slide zooms. And how to make a circle out of it is actually pretty easy. I told you one skill YouTube channel. You guys can see that and understand. Then, okay, all the 10 slides, the 0 to 10 is basically all slide zoom with morph. So it is made up of what, Lavit?
Excuse me. What? Pardon me again.
I made the 1 to 10 slides using two things.
Mm-hmm.
What are they?
Yeah, that Zoom slide and a mock.
Yeah. So I use, of course, I use animations too. So I use Zoom slide and morph. Okay. So, okay. So 1 to 10 slides is easy, right? Okay, I'll skip.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
medium level.
Okay. It's not that hard. Just go to insert, press on 3D models. I mean, not 3D models, zoom, and just put the zoom thing here. And if you want to get it a circle, as I said, you can check the YouTube video because that will take a bit of my time. And we are already in 7:30. Like I have 12 minutes more, I think. So here is a PPT. I mean, this part, the skills part. You can see I made subsections. Subsections are actually very useful for identifying the entire theme of the 5 slides. For here, I mean, for example, these 5 slides are all about the skills we learned in WeJump. So these 5 slides are under the skills subsection. Okay, so now I will. Okay, I'll show you literally how I did it. So I'll duplicate the slide. Okay, I'll make a new slide. You know what? Then I'll go to insert and take a shape. We'll take circle as I use circle there. I'll take this, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Well, it will not be the exact same thing I did that time because that will take some time. Because even I did the images and stuff, I took it from Google. So we have 4 circles here and we'll give it a color. Okay, Kundan, which color do you want?
Yeah, like blue.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do shape fill. Okay. I did blue for every single one. So what I did, wait, let me also align it. It looks kind of uneven. I'll align it to the middle. Okay. So what I did, I pressed shift and selected all of them. Then I moved it. Okay.
Can you
I
explain it
thought,
again?
yeah. 1 second. Yeah. So I made 4 circles, as you can see. Then I aligned it. That is not actually needed, but it makes it look more professional. Then clicking on shift or control, I selected all of them. Okay, control is for duplicating. I forgot to tell you about that. Control is also used for duplicating a thing. So now we'll use shift and select the 4 objects, I mean the circles. So selecting 4 circles, that's easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I have cough, so pardon me. So I selected all the 4 circles. Okay. Yeah, I selected all the 4 circles, then I dragged it. If you are pressing shift and selecting it, then you can easily drag it by just clicking on it. Now I'll again do duplicate slide, then I'll again select all 4 and I will move it. Now we have 2 left, and the next slide we'll have 1. Yeah. So what I did here is make 4 to 3 to 1. So here I didn't do 4 to 3 to 1. What I did here was make what I did here is what you can say. I made it what do you call it? A carousel, I think. Ashit, am I right? Is it called a carousel?
Yes. A logo
Yeah.
carousel. That's what you said.
Yeah. So what I did here is a carousel. So here I made 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. So in this, I didn't do that. Here, what I did was just move this one to the left. Okay, I'll show you exactly. So this one, you will see this AI. So the in next slide, it will go to the second one here. And Canva, which was in the block coding area, it will come in the middle. So what I did here was I just okay, pardon me again. What I did here was just okay, I don't know why, but I'm not getting the technical term. So what I did here was just move this around. All the 5, I just moved it. So scratch is just here. In the next slide, we'll go back. Okay, here scratch was there, then it will go back. And you can see scratch appearing again. So now we'll leave that part and we'll go to slideshow and we'll look from current slide. Okay. Okay, wait. I think I have the wrong transition. Okay, I have pan. That's not the transition we want. So yeah, we have 4 of them. Okay, all 4 have to give the same transition. Yeah. So as you can see, it's slowly moving to the other side. And this is how it became. So in my PPT, instead of moving it to one side, I just switch the places. So I'll also show you this from current slide. As you can see, I mean, I can't explain it exactly, but you can see it moving from one to other, the next one. Did you guys understand this part? I think my explanation was a bit bad, but did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Then the last part, that is the memories part, I'll explain it to you. So what I did here is exactly what I thought, almost exactly what I thought. So I'll zoom out a bit so you can see how the single slide looks like. So I'll make it, okay. So this is a slide. Okay, I'll show you the second slide itself. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 slides. So all of them have inserted into a single slide. And as you know, you can use morph. And I taught you just a bit before about the 4. Yeah. So 4, 3, 2, 1. So imagine the circle is much more bigger and the circle is a square and that's an image. So I did the same exact thing. So I took that image and use it as a carousel. So what a carousel is basically nothing, just moving from one image to another, to the other. It will look like it is a film frame, not a film. I think in olden days we had a thing called film frame. For those who know animation, okay,
Yeah, it's known as FPS.
Lavit, yeah.
Yeah, it's known as FPS.
Um, am I not audible? I didn't get you.
Yeah, I want to say it's known as
Am I audible, Tanishka?
Yeah, you are. It's Lavit's voice.
Yeah, you
Okay.
are audible.
Okay, I'll continue with this. Then, Lavit, can you ask me in the chat box whatever you have shared out? So this is simple. I just moved one image. I clicked on shift and then I just moved it. You see this? Just moved one image to another. I duplicated the slide, just moved it by clicking on shift. So there's nothing much. I just took a slide where I put like 8 photos. Then I clicked on shift and selected all of them and moved one slide to the other. So here, the first slide, in the first slide, you see it. There is only a single, the first image is at the slide. Here, the second image is in the slide. Here, the third image is in the slide. So, like that. Yeah. Okay. Lavit wanted to say that it was called FPS. FPS is frames per second. It's a term used for animations and stuff and for video editing. You guys will know about it soon. Okay, so it's 24. We have 1 more minute. So I don't want to give you guys any homework because the last homework very few people submitted it. Yeah, Kenneth?
I just have a doubt in that last presentation that you did. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, so the part where you did like that section zoom,
Yeah.
you added the logo, right? So you added a blank page for that
Yeah.
logo. How do you get the background transparent? I was just trying it
Oh,
out and I'm getting a white background.
okay. So in slide zoom, there is an option. I think it's for 365 users. I'm not sure, but there's an option to make the slide zoom background color and backgroundless. Slide zoom you can make it backgroundless. So I think it is there. Wait, currently I'm in a YouTube channel. You can see that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So where I refer to make this is this video right here. It is the most popular video of one skill PowerPoint. So you guys can see here. You guys can get the clear explanation of how I did the 5 slide thing right here. So this YouTube channel is really great, and Kenneth, you can refer to it if you have the doubt with the transparent. Um, how I made it transparent? Okay. I'm stuttering a lot. I don't know why. So this YouTube channel is really great, and there is one more channel that is called PPT by Lu. Exactly don't know the name. Yeah, Louis Urutia. Okay, my pronunciation is bad, I guess. But even this person does amazing PPTs. So you guys can check him out too. And one last person that is PowerPoint. Okay, I forgot the name. It's not much skill. It's not okay. I'm reading Big Raj. Not that might. Okay, I don't know which one it is exactly. I will share it with you soon enough. I'll stop sharing my screen and we can move to the main session.
Thank you.
The themes. So let's go to the themes option there.